Hi guys, in these videos we are going to cover the project dashboard, all the functionalities of the project dashboard. As I said before, the project dashboard is the three lines on the right side. When you click on it, you open the project dashboard. That's the right panel here that shows up. And we already showed you how to use the instructions. And now we are going to focus on the project details. And so the project details, usually what you see there, you see a project image, and you as a student can definitely replace the image. So if you feel like you want to change the image, make it different, all you have to do is just change image. And then just, when you do that, it allows you to either drag it from your hard drive or insert the URL. So both options are possible. And then your teacher may add here a YouTube video, and if the teacher wants you to see something before you start the project, you may get the video here. And then the project name, you can change the project name, but you should probably get permission from your teacher to do that. And then underneath here is the project status. Every project starts with in progress, means that the project is right now in progress. And then once you finish the project, you can change the status to finished. You don't have the option of graded. That's only available for your teacher. So your teacher, when teacher finishes grading your project, they will select the graded. And here in this text box, they will describe the project for you. These are the details for this project. And of course, any changes that you make, you need to make sure that you press the save button. And that is it. This is the entire project detail in the project dashboard, and I'm going to see you in the next video.